What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, as you know, I'm always looking for another opportunity, right? Maybe that opportunity to gain you a lot of money, but also have a different opportunity where it doesn't only gain you money in the form of you investing into it and turning into a whole nother level, but also maybe the utility that comes with it. And there's so many interesting concepts and so many interesting protocols and things that are out there that really change the game. And a lot of them start where this position that we're talking about today started from. Um, I want to talk about a pre-sale. And this pre-sale is, it's 4 days away from the next increase. And I want to talk about where it stands. I want to talk about how much money has been put forward. And overall, I just want to look at the project to see what it is. And you guys tell me what it's worth to you, what you feel as though is going to come out of this, and if it makes sense. Because honestly, the concepts that I've been seeing lately and these pre-sales have been amazing, and this one is no exception, right? It looks absolutely amazing from the things that they are doing, and I'm sure it adheres to what a lot of people live their lives and do within their lives. So let's talk about Bitcoin or green Bitcoin in this video. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below that lead you to green Bitcoin to be able to buy it, to the website, to the Twitter account, all the things you need in order to, kind of research it yourself and make that decision for yourself. I'm here to open the door and, you guys can walk through it if you see an opportunity. So let's talk about this. We're going to go into the website here where you see green Bitcoin. Stake GBTC, the future of predict to earn, huge early rewards. Now, just to go into the pre-sale portion of this, currently there's 4 days, 20 hours, and 50 minutes until depends on when you're looking at it and when this actually goes live until the next price increase. Currently, each GBTC costs about 65 cents. One GBTC costs 65 cents. And you can come on here and purchase with ETH, with a card, with USTC. You can connect your wallet and buy with BNB down here. So you can do it with all things, especially as you see the Ethereum network and how much it's costing right now and the gas fees for you to go through with any Ethereum transaction. So I'm sure BNB will not be a bad option for a lot of people. But if you wanted to stake and go through that process, you go through the ETH side to see all of that happen. And right now you're seeing $2 million go through in the form of funding out of the $2.2 million that needs to be raised there to hit the next level. But if we understand what GBTC is, Green Bitcoin introduces revolutionary gamified green staking, allowing for exponential rewards and up to 100% token bonuses. New challenges live every week. You can go and check out the green paper there. You can check out the audit as well. There's currently 3.1 million GBTC that's staked, and you have 65% of GBTC that's staked there, and you have rewards of 184% at the time of recording this. Total returns or total rewards of 1 million GBTC, over 1 million GBTC. Exponential rewards, gamified green staking. Get ready for extraordinary opportunity in the world of crypto. Our innovative staking platform starts off by allowing you to earn big by predicting Bitcoin trends, which sounds very, very interesting, with more groundbreaking gamification on the horizon. This offers crypto veterans and beginners a unique chance to transform their market insights or gut feelings into impressive earnings. Stay tuned and get ready to engage in multiple predictions, options, diversify staking strategies, and all designed for your success. Now, just to get a full breakdown of this, you're going to see this come up here. GBTC goes to staking. You have that staking, and then it moves to predict whatever price it has, staking period, and then you claim. Very, very simple to understand. So Bitcoin goes green. What is green Bitcoin? GBTC. Combining Bitcoin's legacy and Ethereum's eco-friendly blockchain. Bitcoin Green is the ultimate in sustainable crypto earnings. engage in weekly predictions, challenges, and stake your tokens. Again, this overall sounds very, very interesting because it gives you a challenge, and it also, like they said, gamifies it, where it makes it very, very exciting to be a part of, feeling like you're betting on things to happen for certain ways, but then you're also investing at the same time, but you're doing that in two separate places to be able to gain a little bit more rewards as well as see the benefits in what you do hold. So that's a big thing, a big selling point of this. Now, the different types, just to compare green Bitcoin to BTC, to BTC Cash or Bitcoin Cash, and BTC SV. All of them are proof of work besides green BTC, sitting at proof of stake. 34 watts, as you see, energy usage way lower than what you see compared there. Rewards, yes. Gamified staking, you have no, 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 as well as gamification, yes, no, no, no. Another thing is kind of getting into that concept of like trying to get into Bitcoin early, right? Everybody would have loved to have found a way to get into Bitcoin early, but not everybody had that opportunity. And maybe if you did, you didn't do it because you were talked out of it. Well, now, cryptocurrency is looked at as, definitely something that's more popular amongst not only the younger individuals, but also the older crowd. The world right now, everybody loves what crypto is doing, especially with Bitcoin rising so high. You would love to be a part of that in the beginning. So here, you're getting a part of this early. Right now wouldn't be 0.3. It would be getting into it at 0.6, which is the high point here. So that's where we're at now, which is 65 cents. Imagine getting into Bitcoin at 65 cents. It would be massive. Now, also understanding the tokenomics, the pre-sale would be 50%. You have staking rewards, that would be 20%. Marketing, that would be 12%. Liquidity, that would be 7.5%. And then community rewards at 10%. To break this down, step 1, pre-launch. Step 2, staking and predictions go live. So you'll be able to do that. Step 3, token release. Step 4, earn rewards and build the community. How to join Green Bitcoin pre-sale. If you wanted to do that, buy with crypto, buy with a card. You can stake your GBTC and claim your GBTC. A Bitcoin Green pre-sale is your chance to secure GBTC before the token launch. You can buy with crypto or bank card. Plus, you can stake your tokens to earn rewards during the pre-sale. Once the pre-sale is concluded, you'll be able to claim your tokens either on the claim date or 7 days later if your tokens are staked. So again, honestly, the whole entire concept, as I see different pre-sales, it just gets better and better with the concepts here, because gamification in anything has always been a plus in a lot of people's books, because you want things to be exciting. When people talk about investing, a lot of people get bored, right? You're like, hey, you invest into the S&P 500 and you'll be able to gain 10%, per year, and that's great, and you'll be able to grow it to a certain amount in a matter of 30 years. It's great, sounds fantastic, but it's boring, right? Getting into things that are more exciting, like getting into crypto in general, and also understanding the different concepts that they do have, honestly just completely blows the roof off this place, right? It's something that makes you very, very excited about getting into crypto and getting into something like this. So my honest opinion is that it's interesting. It's something that I think you all need to kind of check out for yourself and see if you do like the concept. But I honestly like the predict to earn model, and it's kind of bringing a factor of gambling but without gambling at the same time, right? You have your set base that's staked there, but then you could also predict what's going to happen with the market for more rewards. It doesn't mean that you lose what you have. It means that you get more or less rewards as you see some of these things happen that you predict for them to happen. It's kind of like trying to predict, like you being in Bitcoin, but then also betting more on Bitcoin without risking anything more, if that makes sense. So I'm excited for what this could be, and I think it has an interesting concept here. But again, it's up to what you guys think. Let me know what you think about green Bitcoin in the comment section below. I've seen a lot of advertisements over on CoinMarketCap and other places about this. So I know that they're definitely spending money to go into different places and go into different sites, meaning that they have a good marketing budget, a good size marketing budget. So I would imagine that you're going to see a major push for things like this, and a major impact for something like this. So let me know your thoughts. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Make sure you check out any of those links down below for to check out Bitcoin Green, or Green Bitcoin, and their Twitter account, and just all of the stuff that you need to know. That'll be right down below at the top of the description. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.